Mr. Holmes,
Yes, Joe?
I have a hard time deciding what elective to pick.
Well, it can't be too hard. You got any ideas about what classes you might like?
I don't know, maybe forensic science?
Yo, forensic science is a great choice. First of all, it's a CTE course, and that's short for career and technical education. Taking CTE classes in high school prepares students like you to find meaningful careers in high-skill, high-wage, or high-demand occupations. Did you know that 82% of CTE students say they're satisfied with career prospects? Texas CTE has more than 79 career pathways.
Whoa, sounds cool.
And guess what? I used to work in the field of forensic science before I became a teacher.
For real?
Oh yeah, baby. I worked as a crime scene investigator in the Fort Bend County Police Department. Forensics essentially is the use of science in criminal law. As a crime scene investigator, I use science to find, gather, and analyze evidence that can be used in court. I work with some very skilled specialists such as forensics ballistics experts, forensics toxicologists, medical examiners, document examiners, forensics DNA analysts, and crime scene photographers.
What do y'all do?
I go out to crime scenes, search them, and collect evidence from them. Other occupations in forensics may not involve visiting crime scenes at all, but rather performing analysis in a lab. The medical examiner who does go to scenes is a leading member of the investigation team, and they help to organize the scene and coordinate the investigation. At a death scene, the medical examiner first looks for answers to questions like, can the death be attributed to natural causes? And are there signs of violence or foul play? Crucial information can be deduced before autopsies are done. For instance, studying the three mortises of liver mortis, how blood pools in dead bodies, algor mortis, how dead bodies cool to ambient temperatures, and rigor mortis, stiffening of muscles after death. Let us figure out how long someone's been dead for. Ballistics is used in forensics analysis. Ballistics experts test guns and spent bullets in criminal cases, even making microscopic comparisons between gun barrel defects and bullets found at crime scenes. By looking at clues of directionality, we can determine bullets' trajectories in crime scenes. Angles at which bullets strike surfaces are measured with precise instruments. We scan whole crime scenes with 3D laser scanners and reconstruct bullet trajectories in software. Everyone in the investigation team helps put together the puzzle's pieces so we know what really happened.
Dude, that 3D laser stuff is really cool. Now I want to be a forensics ballistics expert.
I like your enthusiasm.